Georgia, northwestern Taliaferro County in east central Georgia, southwestern Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, Morgan County in north central Georgia, Greene County in east central Georgia, northwestern Taliaferro County in east central Georgia, southwestern Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Godfrey, or near Madison, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Greensboro, Crawfordville, Lexington, Union Point, Crawford, Rutledge, Woodville, Siloam, Maxey's, Buckhead, Stevens, Veazey, Rayswood, Hutchins, Greshamville, Parks Mill, Swords, Petfield, and Lineville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for central, north central, northeastern, and east central Georgia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.